So it's Saturday, August 20th. It's the Titan factory fly-in. So we're out at Germack Airport. In the background there, you can see that there's a couple of Titan T-51s that have flown in. And John's is still in the shop. They'll be going to do the D-Day fly-in here in a little bit. I'll head over that direction. The air boss doesn't allow passengers in the plane, so I'll be on the ground doing some filming. Couple of tornadoes out front here, and then there's one on the other side. So pretty good showing. A lot of people here, so we're going to go over, grab a burger, visit with some people, and enjoy the time here at Germack Airport for the Titan fly-in.